Hi everyone, welcome to English with Alice. I'm Alice, and today we're building easy English habits like a pro. Are you tired of forgetting to practice English every day? What if a simple, easy routine could make you feel confident in just 3 simple steps? This video is perfect for A1 and A2 beginners. There's no hard work here, just fun. By the end of this video, you will have a daily plan to greet, to learn new vocabulary, and to review your progress. Ready? Repeat after me. I'm ready to build English habits. Great job. Let's start our routine. Are you ready? Step 1. Start your morning with a greet. It's so easy and it's very energizing. Every single day when you wake up, just look in the mirror and say good morning to yourself. This really helps to build your confidence right from the start of the day. Watch me, stand tall, smile, and say, "Good morning. Today I will learn 5 new words and speak English." Can you feel the energy? Okay, now pause the video and try it yourself. Say it out loud. Perfect. This habit only takes 1 minute of your time. If you do it daily, you'll start your day feeling like an English pro. The next step is coming up right now. Step 2, midday vocab time. Just pick one object around you, anything at all, and describe it in English. This is a great way to learn new words anytime, anywhere. You don't even need any books. For example, look at this apple. I can say, "This apple is red, round, and juicy. I like it because it's fresh." Do you see? It's easy. Just use colors, shapes, and feelings. Now pause the video. Pick something near you, like your phone or maybe a book, and describe it. Say, "My object is a certain color and a certain adjective." It's awesome. You can do this during your lunch break or any short break. It takes 2 minutes max. It turns your everyday things into fun English lessons. Are you feeling like a habit hero yet? Let's move on to step 3. Step 3 is the evening review. You want to end your day by looking back at what you've learned. This helps to lock in the information and it really builds your memory. Just open your notebook and say something like, "What I learned today, apple means Seb and it's red. Tomorrow I'll describe my bag." Then write 1 or 2 sentences about it. And here's a fun twist. Do a habit hero pose. Give a big thumbs up and say, "I spoke English. Today, great job." Okay, pause now and review your day. What is one word you used? Say, "Today I learned." Yes, this 2-minute habit makes your English learning stick. If you do all 3 of these steps daily, I promise, in just 1 week, you will notice a huge difference. Wow, you just built an easy and effective English routine, a morning greet, midday vocab, and an evening review. So, the key phrases to remember are, "Good morning. This is red and juicy, and I learned today." Now, here is my challenge for you. Try this routine for just 1 day and comment below. My first habit was. Share your progress with us. We are a community here to support each other. If you liked this video, please give it a like. Subscribe to English with Alice for more habit building tips, and don't forget to hit the bell for our weekly fun videos. Next up, we're going to learn shopping vocabulary. Thanks so much for joining me. Build those habits and speak like a pro. Bye for now.